For security or structural reasons, some infrastructure cannot use wireless technologies, such as radio frequency or Wi-Fi for the control and monitoring of their lighting systems. The solution? Nyx Hemera TLACS A. In addition to being difficult to hack, the system does not require any control wiring or antenna installation. How does it work? First, a virtual clock, a light sensor, a motion detector, or any other sensor installed and connected to the TLACS A sends a luminance value to the central controller, the ADE, that will adjust the lighting level dynamically. The ADE uses the power line to send a command to the local controller of each luminary, as per the sensor signal. By doing so, the lighting level meets real-time needs, and never over or under lights, which could impact safety or security or consume unnecessary energy. For their part, the local controllers, the LPC Twist 7-pin or the LPC 480, connected to the luminaries, read and report all the electrical parameters of each luminaire, allowing real-time supervision and facilitated maintenance through a user interface tailored to user needs. Finally, TLACS A is smart city ready, in addition to being a plug-and-play solution in which no software configuration is required. Its installation and configuration are simple and can be done by any electrician. Wherever infrastructure does not allow the use of wireless technologies to control lighting, Nyx Hemera's intelligent TLACS system offers the best solution, adapted to real lighting needs. Need a suitable lighting solution? Contact us today. info@nyx-hemera.com. Nyx Hemera Technologies, Powerline Adaptive Lighting Control Solutions.